Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another short reading tayo today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, yeah, tignan natin anong message ng inyong ex, no? Ex-wife, ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, BF, no? Gender tayo right here, no? So, kung sino man yung pinaka-latest na in separation na talaga kayo right now, no? Kung sino man ito, no? Tignan natin kung anong message pa niya sa inyo, no? And then, of course, tignan din natin anong message ng taong kakonect nyo right now, no? In relationship man ito or just, kung whatever it is na, kung ano man meron sa inyo right now ng person na ito, no? So, tignan natin for you, no? Earth sign. So, tignan natin anong message ng inyong mga ex, no? For you, Earth signs. Kuha tayo here ng 3 cards for the message ng inyong ex-person, no? Kung sino man ang naiisip nyo right now na in separation na kayo, no? So, tignan natin anong messages for you. So, what is this? So, yeah, no? Meron dito, no? Missing you, no? Earth signs, no? For some of you, your ex-lover, no? Yan, no? Still missing you, no? So, yun nga, no? Maybe, hindi pa ganun katagal ang inyong separation, no? Or for some of you, pwedeng matagal na rin. But then, still, this person is missing you pa rin, no? So, tignan pa natin. What else? So, yan, no? Meron pa dito, no? I love you raw, no? So, sabi na sa inyo, earth signs, no? So, maybe, kung sino man itong person na ex nyo na right now, who is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, no? So, this one is your ex-person na, no? Ex-wife, husband, or boyfriend, girlfriend, no? Again, wala tayong gender here, no? So, and also, this one is vice versa din, no? So, maybe kayo ang nag-iisip nito sa inyong ex right now, no? So, yeah, still, that person is missing you and still loves you, no? Earth signs, no? So, take what's resonate lang, no? Mga earth signs. And last, so yeah, no? Kayo na lang din magbasa, no? So, yeah, this one, kaya pala kayo in separation na right now, no? Ay, nag-e-explore pala itong tao na to, no? For some of you, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam, whoever is this person, no? So, that's why meron ng separation na nangyari dito, no? So, na-discover nyo ito sa inyong person, no? Right? But then, that person is still loves you and missing you, no? So, take what's resonate for you, earth signs, no? So, yeah, that's it na. So, ayan ang message ng inyong ex, no? Kayo lang din nakakaalam, whoever is that, no? So, and last is tignan naman natin anong message ng taong kakonect nyo right now, no? Kung sino man itong you are connecting with, no? As of, yeah, right now, no? At this present, no? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards again para sa message ng inyong person na kakonect nyo right now. So, tignan natin what are those messages, no, for you, earth signs. So, let's see what is this. So, you have this, I hid who I really am from you, no? So, this person, whoever is this nakakonect mo right now, earth sign, no? So, meron siyang mga hindi pa sinasabi sa iyo, no? Maybe this person is, if you are talking with this person, no? Maybe, I don't know if you are in relationship now with this person, but then, dahil parang meron ka pang hindi mo pa siya kilala, as in hindi mo pa siya kilalang kilala, no? So, maybe nakakakilala mo lang ito sa social media for some of you, no? So, through chat lang kayo nagkakausap ng tao na ito, no? So, for some of you, earth signs, no? meron pa siyang mga tinatago, no? Siguro, kasi kung ano lang naman talaga yung nakikita natin sa social media is ayun lang din naman talaga yung pagkakakilala natin sa tao, right? But then, of course, be mindful, no? Kasi most of the post, whatever na mga nakapost sa social media is karamihan dyan ay fake na, right? No? Para lang may maipost, meron lang may, diba? For some of you, alam niyo naman yan, no? So, kung ano man yung mga pinopost sa social media, hindi tayo dapat naniniwala agad doon, right? No? So, that person who are you connecting with right now is hiding something, no? About him or herself, no? So kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, whoever is this, no? Kung meron kayong mga ka-connect na hindi niya pa lubusang kilala, no? So maybe meron pa siyang mga talagang hindi pa sinasabi sa iyo. So kumbaga parang wina-warningan ka rin dito, earth signs, no? So be careful din, no? Kasi wag basta-basta nakikipag-usap din agad-agad, and yun nga, magbibigay ka rin ng mga private, ng mga personal infos mo, right? No? So, kasi nga, itong tao na to ay hindi naman din siya nagbibigay sa'yo ng personal infos niya, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, bali, be careful with this person, no? Whoever is this, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, earth signs, no? So, what else? We need to let each other go, no? So, whoever is this that you are connecting right now, no? So, kumbaga parang I don't know kung may relationship ba kayo ng tao na ito, no? Kasi parang may magkakaroon ng separation here, eh, no? So take what's resonate lang na for some of you, if you are in relationship with this person, maybe may conflict na nangyayari right now sa inyong relationship, no? So this person, your person is thinking, no? Or vice versa, no? Of separating with you, no? With each other, no? So kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? Kung meron ng nagkakalamat ang inyong relationship right now, no? Whoever is this, no? Or kung sino lang naman nakaka-resonate here, no? So maybe yan nga, no? Naiisip niya na maghihiwalay na rin, no, for some of you, no. So what else? I look for you everywhere, no. So this person naman, whoever is this you are connecting with right now, earth sign, no. So sinasabi niya, I look for you everywhere, no. So maybe I think this person is so much in love with you right now, no. So kasi kahit saan siya, kumbaga sobrang in love siya sa inyo, no, earth sign, no. So kahit saan siya tumingin daw ay makikita ka talaga niya, no. So hindi man literal na hinahanap ka niya, for me parang iba yung pagkakaintindi ko rito, because ang hinahanap natin ngayon is yung person na ka-connect mo right now, no. So maybe this is just a new relationship, no, for some of you, no, earth sign, no. So this person is so much passion, so much love for you, no. So he or she is nakikita ka niya palagi kahit saan-saan, no. So kung saan man siya tumingin ay nakikita niya ikaw, no. So palagi ka niyang naiisip. So yun nga, no. Kung sino man ito, kayo lang din makaka-resonate. Maybe kayo rin ito, no. Vice versa, earth sign. So yun nga, no. This person who you are connecting with right now, no, or maybe you are in a relationship right now, is so much feelings for you, or he or she is so much in love with you right now, no. So yeah, that's it, no. Earth sign, so take what's resonate lang para sa inyo, no. And yeah, so that's it, no. And thank you for watching, no, mga earth signs, and please like and subscribe sa ating channel. Excuse, and yeah, and yeah, God bless you all, and yeah, thank you, earth signs.